Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I published updated version of this cuff. I hope you like it more the previous one. It was voiced by my daughter. But this time I hope you like it better. Let's start it. It's almost the same, I just add some explanations. I updated my PDF file. I added charts so you can visualize it as well. I have now in German and French. We need yarn 0 size and hook 1.5 millimeters or 7 steel in US classification. As well, I have a color so you can make it too. But it will be paid, it will be 5 sizes, so don't worry, everyone will find her size. Make a foundation chain 50 chains plus 1 chain, it will be turning chain. So it should be 51 chains. The gauge first 50 chains should be 16.5 centimeters, or almost 6½ inch. For first 4 rows we crochet just 50 simple crochet. Now we make round 4, for this time we make the same. 50 simple crochet, but at the end we make the chains and turn. Now we are making our laces. Row 5. Skip 7 stitches and let's make 12 double treble crochet. It's 3 yarn over and one double treble is completed. We need to make 12 in total into 1 in 1 stitch. If it's complicated for you to follow video tutorial, you can download my pattern. It's in French, English and German. Okay, let's continue. We skip 11 stitches and work in the 12th one. So it makes 3 yarn over. And let's go to make again 12 double treble. We need to make 4 shells in total. Again with skip 11 stitches and make 1 more shell. We completed our 4th shell. And now we need to make 1 double treble in the last stitch. So it will be our wool to go to the next row. Now we are making row 6. For this purpose we'll make 1 chain and turn. We skip 1 stitch and let's make 3 simple crochet in 1 stitch. Next make slip stitch to the next stitch and make 3 chains and we'll make treble bobble. I'm making treble crochet but stop at the last step. Make 2 more. Now we have 3 uncompleted treble crochet stitches. Let's complete them. It is our leg in lace design. Make 2 chains. Skip 2 stitches and make the same. A second leg. We make treble bobble. Make 3 chains to come back down, and make slip stitch in the same. One simple crochet in 4 stitches and slip stitch. We made 2 legs, so now we need to go to the second shell and repeat it. We are on the last row. Of our last part, we'll make 4 chains, turn back. And now we need to make this shelf. It's 15 double treble crochet, so it's pretty easy to make it into 2 chain space. Yes, let's complete it. Now we need to make again shell here from double treble crochet. Continue to make it the same way we did it before. See you at the end of this row. We need to make double treble crochet here. Let's complete it. So we have the wool for our base part. Because now we make it. We make chain and turn, and now we need to make 14 simple crochet. 4 simple crochet into the first 4 chain space.
I start my day in silence. Where are my slippers? Where's my notebook? My dreams, write them down, write down your dreams.
Then 1 simple crochet into 1 chain here. Again, we make 4 simple crochet into 4 chain space.
More silence, and now.
And simple crochet into each row here.
My journey to where I'm going things in my clothes, my garments, my gloves, my socks.
Next row, we are making buttonholes.
And I put them together in a way that I'm telling a story with my appearance. The silence starts.
Make 2 simple crochet.
Start to sing to myself and gauge how I feel. I put my clothes
3 chains.
in still
Skip 3 stitches.
for silence.
4 simple crochet.
Drink plenty of water. Be fluid. Be one with water. Be one with air. Preparing myself for the adventure. For the purpose of
3 chains.
for the sound
Skip 3 stitches.
of my belly.
And 2 simple crochet.
Start my day. I let my vocals carry me.
Let's make several rows of 14 simple crochet and tighten it. Okay, now we come back to the second part of our base. We need to make several rows too. We make here as well 14 simple crochet. For a small size, 3 rows. For medium size, 5 rows. For large size, we're making 7 rows. You can adjust for your hand. Just put it on your hand and see how many rows you need to make it adjustable for your size. Let's complete it. We make measurements based on your arms. You should try on cause everyone has different size. My size is medium, and I made 5 rows. Maybe your hand's smaller. Maybe your hand's a little bit larger, you need more rows. Now let's wave in ends, just hide it inside of your work, inside of your stitches like several times, so it will secure, don't fall off. I think that's secure enough, right? Let's cut off. It's almost done. Sew on your buttons and it's done. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. I have few more tutorials related to Wednesday. I publish them soon. See you soon.